16 and H is 0.1, then it is 56. So you are given solvent in grams, that is 149. So here weight of solute in gram, it is 149 upon molecular mass of KOH is 56, and weight of solute in kilogram, you are given the weight of solute kilogram 1.5. So 149 upon 56 into 1.5, the molality will be 1.77. The symbol of molality is small m and symbol of molarity is capital M. Capital M is the symbol for molarity and small m is the symbol for molality. Follow this formula, weight of solute in gram. Weight of solute in gram, you are given 149 grams upon molecular mass of KOH. Molecular mass of KOH is 56 into weight of solvent in kilogram. Weight of solvent is 1.5 kilogram. So here is the 1.5 kilogram. So you give the simple format of this calculation, you will get 1.77 molarity. This is the formula of molality. Now, very most important topic, what is the mole fraction? Mole fraction is the ratio of moles of any component to the total moles in solution. Means one component, value of one component upon moles of value of one component upon moles of value of total component. So we have to find out moles of one component and we have to find out moles of total component. Then after we will find out the mole fraction. So you are given one sum, calculate the mole fraction of NaOH and water in solution formed by dissolving 49 grams of NaOH in 180 grams of water. So you are given weight. You are given weight of NaOH and you are given weight of H2O. So weight of NaOH is 49 grams and weight of H2O is 180 grams. We need these two values because want to find out the mole. We have to concentrate on given value in grams of component and then we will divide it by molecular mass. To find out the mole, grams upon molecular mass, given grams of component upon molecular mass of component to find out the moles. Very simple. So we will find out the moles of NaOH, NaOH, and then we will find out the moles of H2O. Total mole is denominator and mole of one component is numerator. Mole fraction is the number of mole of component upon total moles of given two components. So first we will find out the moles of NaOH, then we will find out the moles of H2O, then we will find out the mole fraction of NaOH, and then we will find out the mole fraction of H2O. Ratio of moles of component and total moles of component. Moles of component upon total moles of given all components. This is the formula. So molar mass of NaOH Molar mass of NaOH. NaOH is 23 plus O is 16 and H is 1. 1 and 6, 7, 7, 23, 30 plus 10, 100. It is 40 grams. Molar mass of NaOH. Mole of solute equal to weight upon molar mass. Weight of NaOH is given 4 grams. So 4 gram is over here. Molar mass is 40 grams. So mole of NaOH is 0.1 mole. Moles of H2O, you are given the weight. H2O is 180 grams. You are given value of H2O is 180 grams. And molecular mass of H2O is 18. So it is 180 upon 18 will be 10 moles. So total mole will be 10 moles plus 0.1 mole. Total mole will be 10.1 mole. Then we will find out the mole fraction. Let's calculate the mole fraction of NaOH and mole fraction of H2O. Mole fraction of NaOH. Mole fraction of NaOH equal to mole fraction of NaOH बराबर moles of NaOH upon total moles. Mole fraction of NaOH. Moles of NaOH, we have found out the moles of NaOH is 0.1 upon total mole. 10 mole is H2 and 0.1 mole is NaOH. So total mole means the moles of NaOH plus moles of H2O means 0.1 upon 10.0 plus 0.1 means 0.1 upon 10.1 will be the value 0.009. So it is the mole fraction of NaOH. Now we will find out the mole fraction of H2O. Means moles of H2O upon total mole. Moles of H2O we have find out it is 10 moles upon total mole is the 10.1 mole. Then the mole fraction of H2O will be 0.9901. So total mole will be, value of mole fraction will be 1, means 0.0099 plus 0.9901 will be the total mole fraction 1. This is the formula to find out the mole fraction. To find out the mole fraction, you must find out the moles of given two component. First you find out the moles of component. How can we find the moles of component? You are given the weight of component and you are given the formula. With the help of formula you will find out the molecular mass. Moles equal to weight of component upon molecular mass of component. You just divide it, you will find out the moles of component. Then you are given two component, then you have to find out another components mole. If you are given three component, then we have to find out all three components mole. And total moles means the addition of all three components to find out the particular mole fraction of component. So very simple, very easy. Try to remember formula. I'm sure that you will definitely understand this all units: normality, molality, mole fraction and percentage by weight. Very simple. So revise my video lecture. Today we have finished chapter number 1. Calculate the sum which is given in your textbook. I have taken new sums by which you can match with your textbook and calculate yourself. So we will start chapter number 3, periodic table. Very most important, very interesting chapter. Send me homework 2 times by today evening. Thank you very much.